Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Martinez. I'm going to give you a quick intro on how to open up a document in Google Drawings. So you go to your waffle grid on the right hand side, click on that, and you're going to click on Drive. When you get to your Drive, you're going to see a whole bunch of stuff that I have, right? But your drive will look like anything that you've been working on for any of your classes will be in here. So when you get to your drive, you're going to click on New and click on More and click on Drawings. So that's how you're going to open up a new document in Google Drawings. So New, More, Google Drawings. When I click on that, I've opened up a new document in Google Drawings. The very first thing I'm going to do is go up to the left-hand side, double click on Untitled Drawing, and I'm going to write the name of the project, and then I'm also going to write my first name and my last name, okay? And then I'm going to click off to the side, and it's saved, and you can see it's saved to Drive, and it's going to be there forever. Whenever I go back to my Drive, I can search for that title.